Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. This is our morning time update, guys. It's official. Luna 2.0 is going to be going live on tomorrow, May 27th, guys. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about what impact that's going to have on the Luna Classic community, what impact that's going to have on the whole crypto space, and we're also going to talk about which exchanges are going to be allowing Luna 2.0, the Genesis blockchain, out there, and we're also going to talk about the airdrop, and also we're going to talk about a strategy that you could adopt for Luna 2.0 to make sure you don't get wreckety wreck out there. So we're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about Elon Musk in the house and his Twitter deal. We're going to talk about some huge bottoming indications for Bitcoin out there. So we got a lot of huge stuff to talk about, guys. So go down there, boop the likes for humans, smash the likes, subscribe, YB in the house. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just the OG in the house, Ice Baby of crypto, the Ric Flair of crypto, woo, in the house, guys. So get ready, let's go down the rabbit hole together, guys. So right now we see that yesterday the broader markets were okay. We did see some greenage out there, so that's pretty positive in the house. But overall, we saw that the crypto markets are down right now, so that's kind of a bit of a Debbie Downer. Some of the big stuff that we had, the Fed minutes from the FOMC meeting that came out as well. We all kind of knew what was going to be happening with that. So, the Fed has been talking about, 1% increase, so we need to have about 0.5 basis points increases, and that's going to be coming soon. But this is really the Fed minutes of the previous FOMC meeting that came out. So, the market was really kind of they knew this was going to happen. It's kind of like preloaded out there. That is why the broader markets didn't tank, because we knew this was coming. This is just basically the official stance of what was already said when Jeremy Powell last month had his official press briefing, guys. Oh, I get my words right. So it's early morning here in Vietnam. The sun is just coming up behind me. Yo, yeah, baby. I got the beach behind me. I got lots of beautiful things, and I got my beautiful people. I want to say thank you for all of you out there watching, showing up, and guys, please share this video with your friend. Send it to your friends. Send it to your enemies out there. Get the message out, guys. So it looks like Fed meetings released Wednesday indicate that officials are prepared to move ahead with multiple 50 basis points. So it looks like we're going to have a total of 1%. In addition, the Fed Open Market Committee said policy may have to move past neutral and into restrictive territory. So we're seeing that, also on Thursday, we have a whole bunch of CPI data that's going to be coming out as well. So that's going to let us know how we're doing in terms of inflation. If it's positive, the markets will move up. Keep in mind that today is Thursday, and Thursday is often a huge reversal day for cryptocurrency and the markets out there. So get ready. There should be some volatility as well today because it's Thursday. So expect some peaks, some valleys, and some spikes. But, overall, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Dogecoin and the Luna 2.0 news, guys. So keep watching. So the minutes indicate that members are hopefully they can bring down the inflation. So if we can see that we, with the CPI data that's going to be coming out later today, we can see that, we have the initial jobless claims coming out today. And then on Friday, we have the PCI, the core PCI inflation rates. So if these go down, this is going to be very helpful. And hopefully this will send a message to the Fed out there that they may actually either delay the inflation rate, the rate hikes out there, because it means that the inflation is coming down. Now keep in mind that typically when the inflation rates go up, you're going to get initial knee-jerk reaction from the broader markets. That's going to be going down, down, and then once the rates have been put in, and after a couple of days, everyone's like, stop losing their mind. You'll see that the markets will rebound and recover up, guys. So that's what's going on. So it looks like the Elon Musk right now, Twitter jumps after Musk increases its commitment to take over bid to $33.5 billion. Now, his original offer, he's kind of, scaled that down because what happened was he realized that, the amount of bots and spam accounts on there is like 20%. Not 5, 6, 7% that Twitter was reporting. So that is affecting the price because remember, Twitter, the majority of its revenue is coming from advertising out there. And, advertisers are not going to pay XYZ if there's 20% of the accounts are spam and bots. So that is pretty good. And so in a filing on Wednesday, Elon Musk noted that his personal financial commitment to the new Twitter deal is $33.5 billion announced. And we really want this deal to happen. The Doge community wants this deal to happen because it's going to allow the Dogecoin Tip Jar. And once that happens, it's going to be a huge catalyst. And also too, it's going to just make the whole Twitter community a safer, happier place to be, because you all know, if you have Twitter accounts, the amount of spam bots and everything. And also keep in mind that, the nefarious attack on Luna was also, orchestrated by outside actors. People talking about Gemini, Arc, and all of those people doing. But also too, we had a ton of spam bots that were spreading flood. What's I got tongue-tied. I don't know. The OG's been tongue-tied for about 2 days. I guess it's being close to the beach out here, and all the salt has gone to my brain. So a lot of the FUD that was being spread on Twitter also was one of the partial reasons why we had that sudden crash of Luna 2.0, guys. So let's take a look at the heat mappy in the house and see what's going on with the crypto space right now. So we're seeing right now that the internet is really, really not so good out here in Vietnam. There we go. It's crazy, it's funny, when you have a high-speed internet at home and then you go to a place that has slow internet, it's really daunting, because your computer slows down. It's like the world's coming to an end. Can you imagine, dial-up internet? The world would just cease. So we're seeing Bitcoin is slightly down. It's almost neutral. Ethereum has just been going range bound as well. So that's what's going on from that perspective. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index. It's pretty much unchanged from where it was yesterday. This will probably have an update in about a couple hours, guys and gals. So what you want to do is smart money, still buying fear. This is a huge time to accumulate. I absolutely believe it's a huge time to accumulate. And you can see that for the Bitcoin price right now, you're seeing that Bitcoin has just been going range bound all the way since the 10th of May, and we're just going sideways. And we're trading right now, between around about 30. We need to get past ourselves around about 30,800 in the house right there. So 30,600 is around about the resistance level that we need to get past, the purple line there. So we're just going range bound, and 30,500 is a key level. 30,600. These are key levels that we need to get past. And if we can get past this, we are going to see a reversal, and we're going to be going up, guys. But the key thing is, we are not going down. And you can see here that we are just trading in this kind of pattern here. And you can see that the resistance is actually getting lower and lower. So hopefully we should be able to break out of this resistance and giddy on up, guys. We absolutely need to giddy on up. If we take a look at Bitcoin right now on the weekly chart, we can see that, we're still in our blue box zone. And we've been in this blue block zone for a long time, which is a huge accumulate. Look where we walk out there. So we're going to get it. You're going to get it. And we're still in this blue box zone, which is good. We're still being supported there in that area. We're still far away from the minor capitulation at $21,000. So there's no risk right now of us going down to that level. So we're at 4 days exactly in this zone. So hopefully we don't. Hopefully we get a reversal coming in. We can turn this into a green candle. That would be pretty good. And we still got the Luna news out there. So if you look at the DXY, we see the DXY as well as kind of channeling in the right direction. It's going down, down. And when the DXY goes down, often Bitcoin and everything will reverse to the upside. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we see that Dogecoin is also just doing the crabby, wabby walk right now. It's really, guys, it's just unchanged. It's really unchanged, but you can see that the RSI is oversold, so we should be getting a pump to the upside. As you can see with my yellow lines here, I believe that there's going to be a 70% that we're going to have a reversal to the upside for the Doge Washer, but we still need Elon Musk to solidify that deal with Twitter, and that's going to give us the Doge Tippy Whippy Jar. And then when that happens, it's going to be a huge catalyst, because Doge will be the currency of Twitter. I absolutely believe it. It's going to be a huge catalyst. So let's jump into Luna 2.0 and let's see if you qualify for an airdrop out there. So it's pretty cool news. So right now, Luna 2.0 is set to launch on May 27th, and these crypto exchanges plan to list immediately. So we have a number of exchanges that are planning to list. We got HIT BTC that I talked about yesterday, but a lot of the exchanges in Korea are absolutely refusing. 4 of the top exchanges in Korea have said, no way, Jose, to Dogecoin, you're out of there. So, we also have Binance. So this is pretty good. Hobei is also going to be supporting it. But the big one is Binance. So if Binance is supporting it, this is going to be helpful. So guys and gals, just remember, this is absolutely a new coin Bitcoin launch out there. So you have to be very, very careful, because often, the insiders, the whales who have connections to the Luna Labs, they're going to be holding huge, huge bags. And, what's going to happen is you're going to see that once the Luna 2.0 Genesis starts trading, you're going to see a huge pump to the upside. And when it goes up 1x, 2x, what's going to happen is the whales will dumpity dump to take their profits. So it could be going down. So from my perspective, this is not financial advice. I would not be buying Luna Tuna at the opening, because there's going to be too much volatility out there, and it's already been preloaded with the insiders and whales, friends and family of the Luna Foundation are going to be holding huge bags. And once it pumps, once retail jumps in and apes in, and we get that big 1 or 2 or 3x pump, then these big whales will be dropping their Luna 2.0, and that could bring the price way down, guys. So from my perspective, often it'll go like this, suddenly big peak, and then suddenly you'll get a huge drop, and then a little bit of this, and then it'll start to settle, and it'll have normal fundamentals and tokenomics of a crypto project out there. So guys, just be careful. Just be careful, with the opening of a new project, because there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of eyes on this. So just be careful out there. It's a great time to be alive, guys. So this also coming in for Bitcoin right now. And we can see that right now, you can see that our indicators are now pointing that we are bottoming. And we have this is the 200-day moving average here, and we often have these bottom. This indicates a bottom, guys, and we've seen this time and time again. And also too, we're seeing that the RSI is also looking oversold. So we should get a reversal for the itty bitty baby coming pretty soon. So this is cool, guys. We absolutely do have a bottoming indicator out there, so that is cool. Also, this coming in right now as well, we can see that the logarithmic fractal growth model is also saying that the bottom is in, and every time we touch this green zone, we ought to have a reversal to the upside, guys. So and we're right now in a huge accumulation zone, a very historical accumulation zone for the itty bitty baby out there. So there's no case of a monthly candle body entirely closing below it. So we see that every candle has not closed below this green zone, and this means only one thing, guys, that we are going to go uppity up, guys. So this is a great time to be accumulating the itty bitty baby. So guys, get it. And this is from JP Morgan, and JP Morgan out there, he's saying that Bitcoin has a significant upside from here, and we could see a rise to $38,000. And and he's saying that there's more interest right now in Bitcoin than there is in real estate, guys. So keep in mind that Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, most of the top crypto projects are oversold now, and this just means that we're going to get a reversal and a pump to the upside, guys. Let's take a quick look at the leverage apes in the house right now. So we're seeing about 326 million leverage apes have been wreck. That's about 50,000 traders out there. And we're seeing right now on the hourly, mostly longity long. So that's why we're seeing a bit of a downward pressure on the itty bitty baby, guys. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house, and Ethereum right now is doing pretty much the same kind of thing. This is a Luna Tuna, sorry, my bad. So we're seeing that Luna Tuna as well is just kind of going sideways. Be warned and be prepared. There could be a sell-off for a Luna once the Luna Genesis 2.0 comes out there. And remember, all of those people who've been holding the Luna Classic, there will be airdrops, but keep in mind that if you're holding your Luna on exchanges and not decentralized wallets or software wallets where you actually control the keys, you may not be entitled to the airdrop. So just keeping that in mind, keep that in mind. And if you're not sure, you can always contact support of your centralized exchange, guys. So if you're on a decentralized wallet, software wallet, hardware wallet, where you control the keys, remember, you control the keys, you control the crypto. Because right now, if you have your Luna Classic on Binance, you don't control the keys. Hence, Binance is controlling crypto. They may airdrop you or they may not. We don't know. So you guys contact your exchange and they'll let you update you on the ins and outs of that. So we're seeing that Ethereum right now is at 1954, and it's also just going sideways as well. We're seeing pretty much that the total market cap is around about the same where it was earlier. It's at 1.28 trillion, volumes at 45.71 B in the house billion, and we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance is way way too high. So we're seeing most of the liquidity flowing into the itty bitty baby out there. But we're seeing that, there's some light at the end of the tunnel. We're seeing that the itty bitty baby is up 0.36%. We're seeing that Ethereum is down, down. And one of the reasons for that is because the Bitcoin dominance is too high, and we're seeing most of the liquidity flowing into Bitcoin. So we're seeing that also BNB is neutral right now. We're seeing that ADA is also down 0.5%. The Doge is neutral as well, and that's at 8344 in the house. We're seeing the Dotty Watt is down 1%. We're seeing Avalanche is also down. We're seeing Shibi Weeby is a little bit of a comeback kid and is 0.4%, but that's neutral, guys, in the house. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Guys, I love it. You love it. Guys, don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. We got 4,453 followers. Follow the yellow brick road. Don't forget to boop the likes for humans, subscribe, and super chats, guys. Where are the super chats? I'm not feeling the love from you out there. And remember, this channel wouldn't be possible without you, my members, my subscribers. I want to give a big shout out to Dragon, Bo Dollar in the house, Upper Hand, Nick Ann in the house, Ambassador, Kate, Dr. T in the house, Jeremy, 65 in the house, JJT, Elijah in the house, and all the other members, Sharon, and all the other beautiful members out there. I just want to say God bless you. Brilliant, Mr. Brilliant out there as well. And David, Racine, if you're watching, much love, brother. So, guys, don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. Don't forget to get the merch, guys. Merch up, gear up with OG gear. Get the cap to cap, get the mug to mug. You want it, I want it. You love it. You love to get the gear. And, guys, this brings this video to a huge close. This is the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! The ice baby of crypto coming to you live. Peace out!